Question number 31. Why do I need views in a database? Database views advantage. Views in a database can be useful in many ways, including first, simplify queries. Views can simplify complex queries by providing a pre-built virtual table that combines data from multiple tables into a single view. Security views can be used to restrict access to certain data by allowing users to access only specific columns or rows within the view. Performance views can improve database performance by reducing the amount of data that need to be retrieved from database. For example, a view can filter out irrelevant data or summarize data to reduce the amount of data that need to be processed. Fourth, data integrity. Views can be used to enforce data integrity by creating constraints on the views that restrict the type of data that can be inserted, updated, or deleted. Reusability. Views can be used in multiple queries or reports, which can save time and effort in building new queries and reports. Overall, views provide a way to simplify queries, improve security, enhance performance, and enforce data integrity and promote reusability. What is the difference between primary key and unique key? Both primary keys and unique keys are used to enforce uniqueness of values in a database table, but there are some key difference between them. A primary key is a column or set of columns that uniquely identify each row in a table. Each table can have only one primary key and cannot contain null values. Primary keys are typically used as a reference to establish a relationship with other tables, and they are often used as a clustering key to optimize the physical storage of a table. Unique key is a column or a set of columns that also enforce uniqueness of values, but unlike a primary key, it can allow null values. A table can have multiple unique keys and they can be used to enforce alternate keys or business rules that require certain columns to be unique. In summary, the primary key uniquely identifies each row in a table, while a unique key enforces uniqueness of values but can allow null values and can be used for alternate keys or business roles. How can you increase SQL performance? There are several ways to improve the performance of SQL queries and database operation. Here are some common strategies. Number first, index optimize. Indexes can be used to speed up the retrieval of data from tables. Ensure that all frequently queried columns are indexed and that indexes are properly designed to match query pattern. Query optimization. Avoid using expensive queries like select asterisk. Instead, only select the columns you need. Use inner join instead outer join when possible, and use where clause to filter result. Avoid excessive joins. Excessive joins can be very costly and can impact the performance of database. Simplify the query by breaking it down into smaller subqueries and avoid using subqueries when possible. Table partitioning. Partitioning table can help distribute data across multiple disks or servers, which can improve query performance. Caching. Use caching technique to store frequently accessed data in memory, which can improve query performance. Proper hardware and server configuration. Ensure that your database server has enough memory, disk space, and processing power to handle the workload. Use solid state drive instead of traditional hard drive to reduce risk. Reduce disk read and write times. A regular database maintenance. Regularly perform tasks like database backup, index rebuilds, statistics update to keep your database running smoothly. Overall, optimizing SQL performance require a combination of proper indexing, query optimization, avoiding excessive joins, partitioning, caching hardware, and server configuration, and regular maintenance. So these are some. What is the use of OLAP? First of all, OLAP stands for Online Analytical Processing, and it is technology used to analyze large amount of data from multiple perspectives in real life. The main purpose of OLAP is to provide a multi-dimensional view of data to support decision-making process. OLAP is designed for analytical purpose rather than transactional purpose. It provides the ability to quickly aggregate data and drill down to lower levels of detail to discover trends, patterns, and insights that are not immediately apparent in raw data. OLAP is especially useful for complex data analysis such as financial analysis, sales analysis, and market research. Some of the main benefits of OLAP include faster data analysis. OLAP provides a fast and efficient way to analyze a large amount of data from multiple perspectives, which can help users make informed decisions more quickly. Flexibility. OLAP enables users to slice and dice data in a variety of ways, allowing them to explore data in different dimensions and drill down into details as needed. Multidimensional view. OLAP provides a multidimensional view of data that makes it easier to understand complex relationships, identify patterns, and trends that might not be immediately obvious. Business intelligence. OLAP can be used as a part of larger business intelligence systems to provide insights into database, into business performance, and informed decision making process. Overall, OLAP provides a powerful tool for data analytics and decision making in a wide range of industries and applications. What is a measure of OLAP? In OLAP, online analytical processing, a measure is a numeric value that represents a specific aspect of data being analyzed. Measure are used to perform calculation, aggregation, comparison across dimension and multidimensional data model. Measure are usually expressed in numerical values such as sales, revenue, profit margin, or customer count. They are associated with one or more dimensions in data models such as the time, geography, or product. Measure can be aggregated, sliced, diced to generate report that provides insight into data being analyzed. For example, a sales report might include measures such as total sales revenue, average order value, and number of orders. These measures would be associated with dimensions such as time, product, and customer. Measure can be defined and calculated using a variety of techniques such as mathematical formulas, SQL expressions, or user defined functions. The goal of OLAP measure is to provide a way to analyze data across multiple dimensions to support business decision making and provide insight into business performance.